We have some spoilers for Ipsy September 2025, the Ipsy Glam Bag. Now, if you are not familiar, the Ipsy Glam Bag is a beauty subscription service. It is a monthly bag that you get, and it's usually a cute little zippered bag. You get 5 minis or deluxe samples of products, and the cost of the bag is $15 plus a $1.99 handling fee. So it's essentially $16.99 plus tax a month, and you get 5 deluxe samples. Once in a while, there's a full size item in there. Choice usually opens around the 20th of each month. So the skincare product that we have is from Tatcha. They are cruelty free, their parent company is not. This is the Matcha Cleanse Daily Clarifying Gel Cleanser. Now, on their website, they do offer a mini that has a net value of $18. Sephora does also carry this, but they don't have the mini. It reduces oil and the look of pores. Formulated without fragrance, soap, detergents. Here's some of the ingredients in here: that calms redness, decongests pores, visibly even skin tone. Says that this is inspired by Japan's time-tested home remedies. Interesting. And a matcha a day keeps oil away. How cute is that? I know that this is not to digest, but just kind of curious. Do you drink matcha tea? What's your thoughts on tea? All right, let's look at the reviews. This got 4.6 stars based on 242 reviews on their website. On Sephora, this got 4.2 stars with 328 reviews. So on Sephora, the lowest rating, it looks like they must have changed the formula and people are not liking it. On their website, let's see what the low stars say. Again, the new formula, don't like it, and it looks like if you have sensitive skin, maybe you want to check out the ingredient list on this one. I will leave the links to all the products down below in the description box. But of course, some people do love it. And even though it says that they changed the formula, it sounds like these reviews are newer. So and this person even says they have sensitive skin. So who knows? Maybe they never tried the old kind. Let's see what the high reviews say at Sephora. Yeah, they like it. They have sensitive skin and it's good. So yeah. Have you tried it? Seems like the reviews are definitely mixed. If you are getting value out of this video and you love beauty and fashion content, I hope that you will hit that subscribe button. Help me on my journey to 5,000 friends here on YouTube. And leave me a comment down below. I know I've talked about matcha tea, but if you're not a tea drinker, what is your favorite drink of choice? For me, I love Dr. Pepper. All right, next spoiler. Spoiler, this is from Moon Slice, and it looks like it would probably be a lip oil, lip balm, lip gloss. And I did Google Moon Slice lip gloss, lip oil. The only thing that came up was this from Urban Outfitters. It's obviously sold out, no longer available. You can see that it doesn't look quite the same. I'm assuming that the spoiler looks more like probably a lip oil. When I go to the Moon Slice Beauty website, all they have is eyeshadow palettes. I shouldn't say all they have is eyeshadow palettes, because they have the eyelashes too. But eye products. Eva NYC, we have a Stay Hydrated Leave-In Conditioner. The full size of this one does retail for $16. The claims of this one is to deeply hydrate, detangles, and provides heat protection. This is, I think I said they are cruelty-free. This is also vegan. This is a milky leave-in conditioner. You do want to apply this to damp hair. It got 4.6 stars out of 245 reviews on Ulta. And let's see, some people said not as good as the leave-in cream. Didn't like the new packaging. That was 5 months ago, that one. Let's see what some 2 stars, not what I expected. They dried out their hair. Missed the old formulation. It always seems like That happens a lot, doesn't it, with the formulas? But of course, we have some people that love it. This one, the Holy Grail. Completely blown away how good of a job this did on my hair. I didn't use it on the upper third portion of my hair to keep my roots from being oily. Okay. Did a fantastic job. My new favorite. I really like the smell and the product itself. So that is one hair product that is on the spoilers. Also coming up will be some beauty and fashion industry news that is on Sundays. And also we do have some BoxyCharm spoilers that have been released for September. So again, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss those videos either. Thanks. Bye.